welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this electronic little fan. Comes with a charging cord, the fan that looks exactly like the cover. Oops, it just turned on. Okay, I just pressed the on button like right there. So it comes fully charged. So this is what it looks like. And what I pressed was this button right here. And then if you press it again, it goes faster. And then again, the fastest. And then finally it turns off. So there's 3 settings on this little fan and a humongous clip. So you can attach it, wherever you want. Inside you can see it's like there's like padding on both sides. So in case, so it doesn't hurt whatever you're clipping it onto. And then on the back over here is where you will charge it. There's a USB, so you can either charge it with this one or your USB one. So that's pretty cool that you can have both choices. But the fact that, you can literally attach it and use it anywhere without having it connected, that's wonderful. So, you could attach it to a stroller, you could attach it to workout equipment, to your desk, on the beach. So charging time is about 7 hours and then working time is about 10 to 25 hours. Wow. Oh, okay, there's some little, if you can see inside, there are actually some LED lights. So I wonder if in the dark, it lights up. So it's light, it's a fan, it's batteries, and then this little water icon, maybe it's waterproof. If you wanted to hook it up on the bottom, you could hook it up on something above, so you can be hanging it from a ceiling. But yeah, there's a lot going on in this little fan. So yeah, super convenient wherever you want to hook it up to. Be cool wherever you go with this little electronic fan. So if you want to purchase it, check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.